Here is an online business you can start for literally $0. I'm going to show you everything that I did actually in our business to go from zero to several $1,000s per month. I'll show you the emails that I sent, the type of businesses that I reached out to, and how easy it is to deliver this particular service. And before you freak out, I don't have a $1,000 course or a mastermind or anything to sell you on this video. All you have to do is hit the like button and leave a comment down below, and I'll give you an entirely free course walking you through exactly how I do this from A to Z. So with that, let's get into this. Okay, so the service that we offered was social media posting for real estate agents. This could be done for any local business, but we chose real estate agents because I already had a little bit of a background in real estate. But again, you can do this for any industry. I'll show you the email templates that I used to reach out to them in just a second. But why I chose social media posting is because every local business, and especially real estate agents, know that they need to be posting more frequently. And if we can provide a simple solution to do this for them, then they're likely to pay us month after month after month, which is the goal. We want recurring income in this business. Now, the tool that we're using is a software called HighLevel. Now, what I love about HighLevel is they allow you to do what's called white labeling their software, meaning they've done all the tech behind the scenes. They have an entire team of hundreds of people that are continuing to update and make sure that the software works perfectly. And what we are able to do is rebrand this under our own brand, whatever we want to call it. We can go out there and have our own software literally day one, and we can start for free, an entire free 30-day trial, and you get full access to everything inside of the software. So what I love about this is it allows me to set up unlimited accounts for as many different business owners as I want. So you can see I'm under one of our brands, RETV, but if you had John Smith Real Estate Agent as one of your clients, you would just set them up their own account. They would only see their social posts. They would only see their dashboard, so they wouldn't be able to see everybody else's. But you, as the software owner, can click around between different accounts and switch around to different people that you have that are signed up for your software. So hopefully that makes sense. So you can have unlimited accounts. You just pay HighLevel one small monthly fee, but you start for free for an entire 30-day trial. So I'll show you exactly how I went out and got clients in just a second. But before I show you the message that I actually sent to other people, let me show you some other people that are doing something similar so you can see the pricing that they're charging and basically what they're offering. Okay, so this is a site called Smarcoms. I've talked about it in the past. I have no affiliation with them. I don't know anything about them other than I see their ads all the time, and I have for the last couple of years, which leads me to believe that either one, they're really stupid with all the money they're spending on advertising that isn't working, or they're doing extremely well because they continue to run ads over and over and over again. You can see it says hire a social media marketing manager from just $99 per month. But let's dive deeper into what exactly that means. Okay, so if we look at what they actually offer, you can see they do for the basic plan for $99 per month, they'll do 10 social media posts per month. For $195 a month, they'll do 20, and then for $295, they'll do 30. If we look over here, it says one social channel included, and if you want an additional one, that's $10 per month extra per channel. Meaning if you wanted to do Facebook and Instagram, you're going to be paying $195 plus an additional $10, $295 plus an additional $10. So you can see how this can scale up, especially if you're doing multiple different things. Now, what's great about HighLevel is you can post on basically any platform out there: Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, X, TikTok, YouTube. I'll show you exactly how we set up the post in just a minute, but we can post on all these things at the same time, so it really doesn't require much extra work. So you could go out and just start charging $99 per month for your first few clients, get comfortable with the system, and then scale up from there. Okay, now let's talk about how we did it. How did we actually go out and start getting clients? Well, it's simpler than you probably are expecting. I'm going to show you the exact emails that I sent out. I just basically cold emailed and cold messaged a lot of people with a very simple line. I'll show you what that is. And you can go and duplicate this for yourself for any industry that you want, or you can just walk into a local business and basically give them the same pitch. So down here is a few email examples of what we actually sent out. I'm going to zoom in so you can actually see them. Okay, so this is the message that I sent. I said, quick question, and I said, hi there, would you be interested in a service that posts real estate content daily for you on Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn? Thank you, Jason Edwards, RETV. And then I started to get responses. Yes, I'm interested. Yes, how much? Tell me more. Depends on how much it is. I just would get those responses. I'll show you several others. I changed the message up a few times just to kind of see what worked better. We just opened a few more spots for our done-for-you social media posting. We will post every day on your Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn profiles, or less often if you'd like. Right now we have a special for $97. Let me know if you'd like some samples of what we post and I'll send them over, or you can just reply to this email. Please send me some samples of what you would post, also any other details about your program and how it would help me, Kevin. Okay, would you be interested? Same one as earlier. This person said yes. Send over some examples. Good afternoon, yes. Send me some samples of your post. Sounds like a good plan. Can you send me a link, please? We'll try for a month. So this person just signed up right away. I think this is what we sent earlier. Sure, send me some examples. So really didn't matter, but my advice to you is keep it as short and as simple as possible. You don't want to get into paragraphs upon paragraphs of your pitch. I think this one is probably sufficient to send maybe 50 messages a day and you'll start getting some responses. Now, what actually do we post when people say yes? Okay, so this is a tool called Canva. I use it every single day. I do pay for the pro version, which is like 10 or 15 bucks a month, but you can start for totally free and just get going with this. And then ultimately, if you start getting some clients, you can upgrade if you want to, because they have even more flexibility with the paid plans. But let me just show you, if I typed in real estate here and hit search, you can see they have a bunch of templates here. Now the ones with the little crown here that say pro are the premium ones. So we'll find one that maybe doesn't have that. Okay, so let's just use this. It already has a nice design. 5 steps to prepare for your home search. So this is geared towards buyers. Define your budget, prioritize your must-haves, whatever. If you wanted to make this even nicer, you could maybe put another little thing at the bottom and then just copy this font, put it down here, stretch it out a little, and just do whatever person you're working with. John Smith, ABC Realty, something like that. Okay, then I would just download this. Okay, now I've downloaded this to my computer. I'm going to go back to our tool here. Now say this is John Smith account that I set up here. I would just do new post, create new post, pick whichever social account. John would log in right when he first paid me and he'd connect his accounts. Then I never have to log into his Facebook or Instagram or LinkedIn or anything ever again. It's already connected here. So let's just pick this for now. And I'm going to find the image here. So I'm going to upload from Media Library and find the thing I just downloaded from Canva. It's going to upload here. Here it is. I'll double click it. Now this is here. And then if I want to write something, I can, or I can just use AI and do why buy a home with John Smith at ABC Realty. Same thing here. Okay, select our writing tone. We can do casual, professional, sarcastic, funny. Let's just do casual. We'll do 3 variations and maybe a medium length and hit generate. Okay, then it gives me a lot of different examples. I have 3 versions here. If I like any of these, I can just hit copy. If I didn't, I can just do generate new content and do it again. But I'm just going to do copy on this one and then hit continue. Now that post is ready to go. If I wanted to post on multiple accounts, I could do all of them at the same time. So remember on the Smartcom site, they had different social channels. I can post all of those at the same time here. So that's another $10, $20 per month that just by clicking these buttons here, if that makes sense. Or you can just do a package deal. Say I'll post on all of your social profiles every day of the month for $200 a month, something like that. If you want to customize them for each channel, you can do that. So these are the Facebook ones, and then these are the Instagram ones. For example, on Facebook you can have clickable links, but on Instagram you can't. So maybe here you change the message to DM us for more information, or whatever the case may be. Okay, so that's good. Now what I can do is I can either post or I can schedule the post for tomorrow. Maybe John just paid me today and our plan is supposed to start for tomorrow. So I'll pick a time, hit schedule post, and now this is scheduled for all 3 of those platforms at the same time. But potentially I didn't mean to do that. Maybe I wanted to do the Saturday instead. All I have to do is just drag it over, and these are now all scheduled for Saturday instead. And I didn't have to log into any of them. I didn't have to do anything crazy. I just literally drag them over and they're rescheduled. So I can see from a calendar view, if I've promised John 10 posts a month, I can see how many I've done. Maybe I want to make sure I get one for this Wednesday. I just hit the plus button here, and then I go through the same process again. You can even have AI generate the imagery and everything as well. I'm going to show you another place that you can get a lot of images really inexpensively as well. Okay, here I am on Etsy, and what I love about Etsy is you can get these massive bundles for like $5 or $10. Now, again, you can start for free. I promised you in this video, you can start this entire business for free, but if you wanted to spend $5 or $10 to get some more templates in a different industry or something, Canva does have just about every industry you can think of, but say we wanted to look on here for some really nicely designed ones, 250 here for $6.84. What's great about this is a majority of these you can use for your clients. So you can't necessarily resell these to clients, but you can use them for your clients, right? So if I got 50 realtors that I wanted to do posts for all over the country, then I could do that. And I could just buy this little package here. Let's see what's inside. These all look really nice, luxury agents, so they are good. Most of them are designed in Canva, so it's just going to pull right into your Canva account anyway, but at least you have them all in one place, and you know they're going to have a similar look and feel, which is cool. And they have Facebook and Instagram stories, as well as highlights, some Q&A stuff, so really cool. You can see this is a bestseller, so a lot of people are purchasing this. So just another resource for you to go out and find these templates. Okay, so I showed you around the high-level poster. Now let me talk to you about some additional tools. So maybe you start with this, you start with the social media posting, you do this manually for people, or you can even offer it to them where they can, for a lesser fee, they can log into your software tool and they can do their own posting. They can post their open houses and all that stuff. But just starting out, what we did is we just posted for everybody because literally it takes 5 or 10 minutes to get somebody's entire 30-day social post done, and then we just duplicate it over and over again for other people in the same industry, and once we have those templates done, then we're ready to go. So some additional tools though, if you wanted to upscale this from just a $99 or $295 per month type of deal, what you could do is then add a few other features that HighLevel offers. So in here you can see that we have sites, we have reputation management, which is helping them get reviews. There are easy ads, which is an additional thing, but it's helping people basically run their own Facebook ads with just a couple clicks. We use a company called UpX for that. Let's just talk about sites for this one. So maybe you come across a plumber or a roofer or a real estate agent, anybody that doesn't have a website already, and maybe you're not a website designer. You can just go in here under websites, do new website here from templates, hit continue. For this example, let's use roofing. So we just look at this. They already have several templates here. Let's just pick this one, hit continue, and in the background it's building out the website for us. There is a little bit we have to tweak here, but it's already building the framework of the site with the colors and images and everything. So you can see if we just hit preview here, it's already a really nicely designed site that we can start showing. If you find a roofing company that doesn't have a great looking website, this is already pretty darn good. So you can go and change a little bit of the text around, again with AI, I'll show you that. If we just click over this, hover it, change, generate with AI, why use ABC Roofing in Dallas, Texas. So that gave us a really long one. Let's just do copy and continue, and then we'll make it a little shorter because that's way too long. So we'll use AI again and make shorter. Okay, we've shrunk it down a good bit. Let's do one more and make it shorter one more time just to show you how this works. Awesome. Replace text. Now we got a good little intro here. Choose ABC Roofing in Dallas, Texas for a durable, stylish roof that enhances energy. You can read all the rest, but basically you get the idea. AI can do all of this. It's pretty mindless. You just read through it and make sure it makes sense and sounds good, but you don't have to do a lot of thought process in here to replace all of this and just see what they offer. So that is a way to bump something up from maybe your entry point is doing the social media posting for them, and then you scale up later to offering them a new website and helping them get more reviews. And there's a ton of AI tools that I'll be covering in future videos that you can offer as well to turn this into something that maybe you could be charging $500 or $1,000 per month once you start adding them on for different companies. But the entry point, at least for us when we first got started, was social media posting because everybody understands it. They understand that if they pay you today and they don't see a post tomorrow, then you lied to them. If they do see a post tomorrow, then you were telling them the truth. There's not a lot of convincing that you have to do other than just deliver what I showed you in this video. Okay, so I have an entire free course that we created to give to you. All you have to do is hit the like button and leave a comment down below. I'll personally respond to you with a link to that course. It walks you through A to Z how all of this works. And again, I promise you, you can start this for absolutely free. You get an entire free 30-day trial to test it out. see if it's for you. Try to go out and get a couple clients, and then at the end, if you have some clients, you continue, and then you'll start paying. If you don't have any clients, you just cancel your account, and maybe you spend a couple bucks, with Canva or something. But really, you can start this entirely for free. Hit the like button, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.